Alright, we're inside Sammie's on Bloor in the Annex. And they sold out on the brisket, the beef brisket. That's the popular sandwich. So I'm getting the chicken chimichurri. So hopefully, yeah, look at that. Looks good. Brisket Philly is the popular one. We have to come back for that. Alright, here's the chicken sandwich. I already ate the other half. I was so hungry. We didn't stay in. I like to walk and eat because I'm on a live stream on my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. And we're just walking and eating. And it's a yummy sandwich. Take your bite.
So this is a chicken chimichurri. It's grilled chicken and chimichurri with creamy cucumber slaw. So this costs $18 plus our HST tax comes to around $20 and change. Check out my YouTube channels. So I did 2 separate live streams. First, a live stream on Cool Auntie workout segment. Second live stream. Check out the main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. Live replay. Downtown Toronto bike ride, busy city streets. Chicken sandwich at Sammie's.
Bread is nice and fresh.